What's the meaning of contemplate? Contemplate. Contemplate.
Contemplate. Contemplate. Contemplate means to think deeply or carefully about something. It often involves a sense of introspection and self-reflection. When we contemplate, we may consider different perspectives and weigh the pros and cons before coming to a conclusion. This process of contemplation can lead to greater understanding, insight, and clarity. By taking the time to contemplate, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the world around us and make more thoughtful decisions. Overall, the act of contemplating helps us gain perspective and make sense of our thoughts and experiences.